Hi everyone, I'm just come to share with you a design team project for MindBarretty, and the kit that I used was called Garden Party, and I will link that below in the description box. So I've done this video about 10 minutes ago and realised that I didn't press play, and I got to the end, and when I looked to stop my camera it was like, oh, it hadn't even begun. So this is me doing it for the second time. So the cover is a soft cover. I've used a clasp envelope. It's been stitched all around. Obviously pages from the kit on the front and the back. It's one signature. There's about 80 pages front and back. We've got this applique here with a few layered bits there, crocheted doily, like a little mini one, some cheesecloth and a fabric flower, little mini doily here with a little bling piece in the centre. And I will do a quick flip. So all the pages are from the kit. I've just made a pocket here from some cardstock, which is like a nice blue, which I thought toned in well with the colours of the kit. So we've got Edith Holden tags here, and just some ephemera that was in my stash, already printed out and tea or coffee dyed. Yes, check some Edith Holden. This flips out. We have some lined paper, kit page, fabric tab, there's crocheted trim here. I made the pocket using one of the pages from the kit. Oops. And we've got a flower on here. We have some tags. I made this one using some Tim Holtz, these things like die cuts, the botanical one. So I used that on there and done some stamping, and it's just stamping actually and inking up, and that just tucks in there. We have a paper doily, square one, and paper bag page from the kit. Here we have a Terry Woods flip out page, and we've got a large journaling card, a tag which is just cardstock, and Edith Holden. It's just all been inked up, and journaling card and a little tag with a guess check, some dictionary paper, Edith Holden. This flips out, fabric tab, pocket here with just some flower ephemera, and this is just sewn onto doubled over coffee dyed paper. And we have an Edith Holden tag, little handmade tag, and this is just an A4 sheet of paper, just folded in half and half again till I got the right size for this little like ATC size image, and that just pops in there. Got a doily paper bag, just lots of places to journal, paper bag. And what I've done with these paper bags was, because they were gusseted, I kind of opened them out so they were the full length of the page. Here we have another pocket, another little one of these A4 sheets of paper just folded in half and in half again, and that tucks in there. We've got a tag, an Edith Holden tag, and another journaling card there. So that all just tucks in neatly there. This is like a string trim, and with some cheesecloth and a flower. So there's lots of places to journal. Here we've just got a tuck, and this has got quite a few bits tucked in there. Journaling card, large tag, ephemera piece, Edith Holden tag that just sits in there, and then here and here just got another handmade tag and a little cardstock tag, and we've got a doily, cheesecloth ticket, and a butterfly. This is just a fabric ruffle with some cheesecloth, some trim, and some tags. Fabric tab, and we've just got another pocket here, an index card, a large tag from Edith Holden, and it's a journaling card here that doesn't want to open. So that all just tucks in there, and there is a pocket. I've tucked the flap of the envelope inside there so that that would be left open so you could tuck stuff inside. So that is the journal. It's a nice chunky one, as you can see. Like I said, the link for MindBarretty's garden party kit will be below. This will also be listed in my shop for sale. There is a 20% discount, and the code will be below for that. Please use the code. Going back and doing refunds because people are forgetting to put the code in actually costs me more money to refund. They'll get the refund, and at the moment it's charging me another nearly £4 to £5 to do it. So I'm going to be quite strict. If you don't use the code, then I'm not going to refund. I've already gave the code. It's up to you to use it. So I don't want to sound nasty, but I'm already giving away a really good discount, and I shouldn't have to lose another, like, I think it's £4 something, nearly £5 on top of giving a discount as well. So there we go. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.